أسمو وأجتاز السماء جلالا فأزيد.
Assalamu alaikum, respected brothers and sisters. Al Hidayah is very pleased to bring this short walkthrough of the history of Al Hidayah for the last 7 years. We originally started in a shared, rented place to conduct Jummah and Iftar from 2013 until 2015. We ran various events and Eid Salahs in schools and church premises to develop the community spirits and family gatherings. We started monthly subscriptions for the members to conduct our programs regularly. It took almost a year of searching and a long list of 36 properties in and around Croydon before we finalized on 177 Brickstock Road for £650,000 purchase. Croydon Council application process took almost a year before giving us a D1 permission to construct the masjid. We mobilized the support of the local councillors, Member of Parliament and so on to achieve approvals from the council. December 2015, we received planning permission and January 17, 2016, the construction started. The mosque was built with £200,000 cost with a total budget of £850,000. This is how we started the journey of Al Hidayah. Alhamdulillah, Al Hidayah became a registered charity in February 2016. The construction work went at full speed. We invited various scholars for grand opening of the masjid in May 2016. We had 2 days of celebrations with programs, talks, lunches. MashaAllah, it was a completely blessed environment for Al Hidayah and the communities around. We established Salah and all the processes around setting up the masjid in 2016. We felt we started off with a huge debt, Qarz Hasana, and the entire 2016 was dedicated to fundraising for us. We raised around £200,000 in 2016 to bring our Qarz Hasana to 650 at the end of 2016. We focused on building the communities in 2016, and it's also a year for planning for the madrasa we started in 2017. Alhamdulillah, we did a major facelift to the interiors of the masjid in 2017 with a new carpet, sister side divider, brand new member mihrab at a cost of £30,000 fully donated by the Musallis. We have also started the madrasa in March 2017 with 20 students. We offered iftar for close to 200 people every single day of Ramadan with co-eating inside the masjid. Alhamdulillah, we brought in very renowned qaris from around the globe to lift the spirit in Ramadan with the community. It was a huge success for Al Hidayah year on year. We increased the number of teachers and went all out to make the student count to a dramatic increase. We had 250 students at peak within 12 months of starting the madrasa. We have organized an average of 60 events every year from 2016 until now. We became very active in social media, used WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, MixLR to communicate great messages to our communities on the regular time frame. Al Hidayah has been offering Friday Khutbahs in multiple languages, Tamil, English and Arabic, to cater to the community needs. There are Diniya lessons regularly, 6 weeks and 3 weeks lecture series by Imam Alamgir, Tajweed classes for the elderly by Imam Zaid, Islamic lessons for all age group by Sheikh Alamgir, separate programs for sisters twice a week, sports events for the boys, internal Quran competition, annual Eid family events and prize distributions, quiz competitions for the families and their prize functions, Qiraat competitions covering entire South London, Iftar, almost 40,000 iftar food delivered until now, has been one of the outspoken services of Al Hidayah. All of these operations are run completely by volunteers and the great support, mashallah. We are very proud of our madrasa students. We grew from 20 to 250 students in no time. 33 students are memorizing Quran today. 4 has already completed, and at least 5 more is expected to complete in the next year. 14 teachers are looking after the madrasa. We adopted online during COVID, and participation was very good, completely by the students, supported by the parents. We are quality conscious when it comes to teaching and monitoring. Student monitorings and regular coaching makes them very strong in what they are learning, both in and outside the madrasa environments. Al Hidayah has exhibited a number of ways of its interest in working for the community, by the community. Our strength lies in our passionate volunteers. We stepped in when need arose in Sri Lanka, India, and other parts of the world with our community programs. We stood by the families in need during Janasa and other emergencies. We created a spirit of education and its importance among the community. We support employment opportunity with references and guidance to the youth and graduates alike. We run Sisters program at the masjid regularly. We offer NHS Iftar during COVID times to prove that we care about the broader communities in Croydon. We brought in international Iftar videos to tell how other communities outside of UK are doing Iftars and celebrating Ramadans in various parts of the world. We signed MOU with other charities to collaborate with Al Hidayah. We developed strong relationship with mosque, metropolitan police, councils and institutions in the UK to create a coherent working practices inside and out. We run Soup Kitchen, which delivers food for around 50 families every week. Our work during COVID was well commended by the community by and large. We ran digital FM, YouTube video, regular Zoom conferences during the COVID times to reinstate confidence among the community during pandemic. Donated food packs, saving machines, wet grinders and other support to look after the needy during COVID times. We have in summary demonstrated to the community we are a 100% charitable organization with a genuine interest in people and nothing but people. Al Hidayah has also assisted a number of charities such as Islamic Relief, Human Appeal, Muslim Aid, Syria Appeal, Haramain Foundation to help raise 100,000 pounds for various humanitarian relief works including Yemen, Sudan, Rohingya sufferings. From the start of 850,000 pounds, Al Hidayah has consistently worked towards reducing the debts. It has taken approximately 500 volunteer efforts, visiting 158 masjids in multiple countries to raise funds for the masjid. From Brighton to Scotland, London to Bolton, France, Toronto, Malaysia and Singapore visits, our team has made enormous sacrifices of the time and money to reduce the debts of this masjid. Al Hidayah debt is down to 120,000 as at this moment. It only takes 100 musalla and 700 bricks to close the debt of Al Hidayah. COVID and masjid closures impacted our fundraising last year, and we have only this year to settle the creditors, and that's what we have promised them. It is Thornton Heath residents to benefit from this masjid and its events. It is our responsibility to look after the masjid needs. We run a brick and musalla campaign at 100 pounds for a brick and 500 pounds for a musalla. Please pledge and you can pay throughout this year and make this house of Allah debt free. Join us in our initiatives, be part of us. Let us build a community full of spirits, religious spirits, community spirits, family spirits and learn from each other. Ahlan wa sahlan, jazakumullah khairan, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu.
Assalamu alaikum. Al Hidayah Croydon being a registered charity in UK. Every year we submit our audited annual accounts with HMRC and Charity Commission after approval by our board members. All our madrasa teachers are vetted by the enhanced screening process as part of our compliance procedure. We have built a strong relationship with Croydon Council and Croydon Borough Constabulary to run our centre in a safe and supportive way. We work closely with Eternal Gardens and Croydon Masjid to organize the Janazah process for community members. By the help of Allah, we believe we have built a strong ecosystem to do even bigger community programs in the coming years, inshallah.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وبعد. أيها الإخوة والأخوات، كما شاهدتم في العرض المختصر السابق لمسيرة وبرامج هذا المركز المبارك، مركز الهداية الإسلامي الواقع في جنوب لندن، لخدمة الجالية الإسلامية في تلك المنطقة ودعوة غير المسلمين هناك، هذا كله بفضل الله وحده سبحانه وتعالى، فله الحمد والشكر. وفي ختام هذا العرض أدعوكم جميعا في المشاركة والمساهمة معنا، وذلك بدعمكم للانتهاء ما تبقى من القروض. أسأل الله أن يجزي كل من ساهم وأن يخلف لهم خيرا، وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وآله وصحبه.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shiraz. I have been involved with Al Hidayah from the very beginning, over 5 years ago, when we met for the first time to plan for the funding of the new masjid at that time. 5 years fast forward, and it's been an amazing journey with Al Hidayah. I am still very much connected with the masjid. I look after the website, the poster, and all the IT requirements for the masjid. The unique thing about Al Hidayah is that it has a dynamic young management team who are very much forward-looking. They put together an amazing program of works within the masjid. The madrasa is absolutely amazing. The Hifz classes are extremely professionally run. And most importantly, they have two young, very dynamic imams who can relate and connect to the community. I am really proud to be part of Al Hidayah, and I really look forward to be part of Al Hidayah for the foreseeable future, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
لونوا الدنيا بأجمل بسمة وأكون للخير العميم مثالا.